Have you ever had a dream that
What's up guys, today it's your boy the Gamer X with another banger video. We're gonna unbox iPhone 11 Pro. I wanted to get a Pro Max but they were out, so we just got this from Best Buy. It's green, by the way, sexy. I mainly got this phone for the cameras. Ooh, I like how they did this in the box, cut out of the cameras. So here we have the beast itself, the iPhone 11. So nice, just look at those cameras, beautiful. So here we have like so we get like earpods with it, the wired ones, so that's cool. Put that back in the box real quick. We got like I think it's a fast adapter, maybe it's got the Apple logo and everything, so that's nice. I know some of y'all may be wondering, should you all wait for the iPhone 12 in October? I'd say maybe not, but like for me, I been rocking with my SA Plus for a while. Y'all know that. So for me to get an iPhone, it makes sense. Okay, so here we have the back of this thing. I think this has all the Apple stickers and stuff. So let me showcase the phone itself for you guys. Nice, the phone just turned on. Let's put it here. So here we have the iPhone 11 Pro. It's got the green, sleek, triple cameras. Ooh, the Apple logo feels nice in the hand. It's kind of weighty. I like it. So clean, curved edges. We'll look at that beauty later. So yeah, here we have the stickers and stuff. The papers. Ooh, Apple stickers. I know what I'm gonna put this on. Maybe on my Switch, PS4. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Here we have the little booklet. So, this is in different language. Bonjour, so that's French. Here we got the one in English. Hello. Okay, nice. Cool. So, nice little stuff. Guess it talks about charging and stuff. I love the packaging with this. It's very neat. So it's showing us how to use the phone and stuff. Here we have the SIM tool. That's good. And some more unimportant stuff. So you can toss all of this stuff to the side. So before I get into the main focus of today's video, let's check out what else is in the box. So here we have the power cable. Okay, that's cool. The end portion of this seems to look like a USB-C. Oh, I think it is. Wait, let me check. Yo, that's crazy. So like, Android has USB-C ports, and then the iPhone's like 11, it also has like the USB-C for like this section, but they still have the lightning. So that's interesting. That's basically the box. This is a 64 gig version. Got all the certification and everything, so y'all know it's real. 2019. So this phone is still roughly new. Okay, let's get into the iPhone. I like how this cutout's just like the phone, so that's neat. Let's get into the iPhone 11 Pro right now. So I've put in the SIM card already, so we're gonna set it up. Y'all gonna see my pin. Like, who cares? Y'all gonna see my pin. Okay, so I had an iPhone 6s a couple years back. I really get an iPhone because I've been locked in the Android ecosystem, and I love my SA Plus, but there's certain things that the iPhone does better. And also I want to use back iMessage for all my iPhone people, and mainly because I feel like I need the camera upgrade. So this is why I got this phone, getting this phone. And also I really want it because it's better playing Fortnite. Right now Fortnite is banned off the App Store, so I'm really pissed about that, and I hope Epic Games and Fortnite sort that shit out so I could play on my new iPhone. But until then, I'll play PUBG, whatever, all those other games, and I'll showcase that. So I'm gonna restore from iCloud because I have my iCloud login, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Cell phone, see what's like. So apparently they found my account from the 6S. Like, I haven't used Apple's like accounts, iOS no. So let's see, agree. Just gonna restore this. Take a little while. I must say though that the typing on this phone is so smooth. I have not set up the Face ID thing yet, but I'm gonna do it soon. So let's see. I really just wanna see if I could restore it. Set up as a new iPhone. Yeah. Okay. I have to sign in again. Okay, so we're gonna sign in real quick. Okay, so keep your phone up to date. Okay, let's do that. Enable location services. Well, for now, I guess, but like, I'm probably gonna disable this in the future. Okay, Apple Pay, interesting. I'll do that later. Siri, continue. Say, hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how is the weather today? Hey Siri, set timer for 3 minutes. Okay, I just turned it off right there. My bad, guys. Continue. Right, let me finish this process and I'll be back with you. Okay, so Siri is ready right now. Continue and share audio. Not now. Screen time. Continue. Don't share. Cool. So true down display. See what true down. Okay, continue. Light, dark. Ooh. Ah, that's sick. Let's go with light for now though. I'm gonna have to get used to all of that new stuff and features. Right now, I will not get used to this. Nice, so here we have the iPhone 11 Pro. It's looking good. It's looking sleek. It's looking sexy. Let's check out the cameras. Allow, I guess. Oof, the iPhone is looking nice. Let me tell you that. Cool, so that's the optical zoom. Holy. So guys, let's check what iOS version this is. Ooh, nice. It got back my Apple stuff. That's my last Okay, so that's the new iPhone now. So let's check the iOS version. So we're at 13.61. So 64 gigs. We have 50 gigs free. Right guys, so that's been the iPhone 11 Pro. Really nice phone, smooth, really like it. So yeah guys, this has been your brother GamerX, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Might have another unboxing video coming up shortly. I won't spoil it for you guys. I'm gonna have fun with my little phone here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Make sure to like and subscribe, by the way. Peace. I love you guys.